to episode 6 of Cooking and Concocting, and our second special episode. And today, we're making the question pizzas. First, we need to preheat our oven to 500 degrees. First, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of olive oil.
4.5 cups of flour.
One and 3/4 cup of water.
1 tablespoon yeast.
You could have poured the bag in instead of using the spoon.
1 tablespoon yeast.
1 tablespoon sugar. And a pinch of salt.
And mix. Shoot, bro. and mix. Now we're gonna wanna mix until it turns to one solid dough. Now we're gonna cover this and let it rest for an hour for the yeast to rise. Now, I think we need a change of scenery. Alright boys, the rules of the game are simple. We each pick a topping, a cheese, and a sauce. But we go in order. I'm gonna pick the sauce, then Ben, and Chris. Ben's gonna pick the cheese, then Chris, then me. And Chris is gonna pick the topping, then me, then Ben. I'm gonna pick barbecue sauce.
I pick Alfredo.
I pick sun-dried tomato paste.
Now, onto the cheese.
I'm picking 3 cheese Mexican.
I'm picking Swiss cheese.
I am gonna pick double cheddar. Now to choose our toppings.
I'm choosing rotisserie chicken.
Can you stop slamming my products?
No!
I'm gonna pick Taylor ham, or some people call it pork roll.
Okay, I'm finally picking turkey pepperoni.
Stop slamming my ingredients! Right, now that we have all our toppings, cheeses, and sauce picked, what we're gonna do, cheese swap.
Bro, what was the point
Bro,
of picking?
come on!
What was the point?
Alright, now we're gonna uncover our dough, split it into 3 separate dough balls, and recover them for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna shape our pizza dough, put on our sauce, cheese, and toppings, and we're gonna put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Triple Mexican barbecue.
Double cheddar chicken.
Turkey Alfredo.
Alright, we're gonna start with Ben's pizza. Let's give it a taste and a rating. What do you think, Chris?
Tastes bland. 4 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it I think I'm gonna go with a 4.8 out of 10. And the average is
And now, Jack's pizza. Way too sweet. Like, a 5 out of 10 though. It's pretty good besides that.
I can't taste much more than the barbecue sauce. Not very good. I can't taste the cheese. I can't taste the meat. The dough's alright, but I'll give it like a 3 out of 10.
alright. You guys don't know what you're talking about. That's an 8 out of 10 right there.
How?
The average score is
Now for Chris's pizza. What do you think, Ben? Okay, well, me personally, I think the chicken and the tomato pesto goes really well together. The double cheddar, I'm not really feeling it, but I don't think the cheddar does enough to take it down too much. So I'm gonna say 5.6 out of 10.
I agree with Jack here. The cheddar, however, I do think it fits pretty well. It doesn't fit the greatest. So overall, I think it's like a 7 out of 10. The average is...
That concludes this episode of Cooking and Concocting. Now I gotta get these guys out of here.